Here I am doing a training hike up on Mount Baldy. I did take the ski lift up to a higher elevation, and then from there just hiking up for a day, afternoon hike. It's Sunday 31st, so Brielle's birthday. I wanted to kind of point out down here, there's all this scree that goes down pretty far. You can see way down there at the bottom of the valley. So this is pretty dangerous stuff to be walking on. It's kind of hard to get like a balance to show how steep it is. But there's clouds coming in. It does say there's a flash flood warning in 9 minutes. Pretty close to where I'm at. And then really far in the distance here, see if you can kind of see it or not, is the bend in the 15 freeway that goes up to like Apple Valley and that kind of whole area, Victorville and Adelanto 395. So that's the 15 freeway that kind of goes, so I'm kind of facing up towards the northeast at this point. So anyway, just enjoying the day. Brielle's birthday, taking a nice hike and talking to God and praying about things that Luke talked to me about yesterday. So yeah, it's just a nice relaxing day. All right, bye. Okay, here I am hiking Mount San Antonio, also known as Mount Baldy. If you look over the side here, this is called Devil's Backbone. Pretty intense. So I'm just hiking along this ridge here. It's kind of a scary ridge. So, yep, that's part of the fun. I don't know if you can see me or not. I'm kind of doing this the old-fashioned way. All right, have fun.